Hi guys and welcome to my channel. It's Vesna here. If you're brand new, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're coming back, thank you so much for coming back, and everyone welcome. On my channel you can see um, home renovations, home tours, um, thrift hauls, anything kind of to do with the home other than DIY, you can see on my channel. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around and enjoy the video. I'm really excited about today's video. Today I'm showing you how I decorate my front porch. Um, I am reusing some stuff that I have from before, but I also went to the local market and got these pumpkins and hay bale and I also got some produce. But this is a local guy that's close to our house, so I was really excited to go. The kids loved going picking out their pumpkins. And I'm going to be decorating this small front porch. So I've got all this stuff here that I'm going to use, like my bigger stuff. And my summer planters are still there, and they're just still so beautiful. I'm not going to get rid of them. The only thing I did is those green perennials that are in the black pot. I moved those, like I dug those out, and I will be planting those in my garden. And then I'll still keep the summer ones because, well, the colors are kind of fallish as well. They're burgundy and they're still so beautiful. So I'm going to keep them as well and incorporate them in my decor. So when I start doing my front porch for any season, I always clean everything out. I clean the windows, I clean the mailbox, I sweep, and I just give it a nice, thorough cleaning. Usually I don't paint the mailbox. This time I chose to paint it just because it was looking a little bit rough, so I'm just going to paint it out black. I've been wanting to paint it for a while, so I'm going to do that, and then maybe down the road I'll put mail on it as well, but I won't for this video. And then once I do that, I just start putting everything together. So here are the summer planters. Like I said, I'm just going to clean them up a bit and move them off to the side, kind of create a little barrier, and start putting everything together. I'm going to turn music on. You don't need to listen to me talk while I'm doing this, and enjoy. For the welcome sign, instead of creating a new one, I decided to have my husband cut out using some plywood, just leftover plywood, a pumpkin, which I painted orange and added some greenery, and then I attached it where the O is supposed to be with just a nail. Now I found this basket on the side of the road. It's one of those like planter holders, and I thought this would be perfect for my outdoor decor. So I'm just putting some burlap in there and some greens and pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. Now, this video is a part of a challenge hosted by Domestic Diva Home. If you now have not checked out Sonia's channel, make sure you check it out. What we were supposed to do is either create a DIY or decorate our front porch. So I've chosen to decorate my front porch. I do have a bunch of DIYs that I'm using on my front porch that I created previously. I'm going to have links to all of those above. So stay tuned and check out Sonia's channel. I'll have it linked in my description, and check out the playlist as well. So originally I was going to do this without the apple barrel, but I'm thinking with the apple barrel and the little basket of flowers, this looks amazing. I'm really, really happy with it. So here is the finished front porch. I really like the way it turned out. I love that little pumpkin there in the welcome sign. I love how it's all put together with the wreath and even with the summer decor, the big pumpkins. Love it. So if you like this as much as I do, make sure you hit that big like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Check out the playlist because there's going to be some amazing porch decor and ideas for you. And also make sure you check out Sonia's channel. Thank you for stopping by. Have an excellent day and stay safe.